Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is February 26th, 2022, and this is a quick update on my next trade and trade idea. All right, here's what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin charts. I'm thinking we're going long to about 41.5 or 42 max, okay? If we zoom out really quickly, we'll see that the 42 level is where we had broken down from this double top, this M top, and we never really retested it, okay? So I think that it's very likely that we retest this at some point, and this next move up, which I believe we're getting ready to have, is a likely it's a likely candidate, or it's a likely scenario for a retest of this level, okay? We broke down, we never retested. All right, here are all the reasons I think that we're in a wave 4 complex correction, and we have yet to print a wave 5. Very quickly, if we go to the smaller time frames, a 15-minute time frame, we can see I started my count with a 1, 2, okay? And some may think, oh no, this 2 wave has breached the 618. It hasn't. Because if you zoom in and you take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top of this wave 1, you'll see that wave 2 wicks to a little bit beneath the 50% level of the 618 to the 786 Fibonacci band. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that I regard the 50% level of any band, any level, as being the nexus, or the sort of linchpin, or the point at which, if it's breached, then the whole level is considered breached. But if it's wicked to or at the 50% level, it's still valid. And so that's how I run my stops, and I've talked about this in nauseum. I actually track these violations, quote unquote, and use percentages to see, okay, what price does. So in my experience, that is a valid wave 2 correction that has not violated or breached the 618 of wave 1. All right. So if that is the case, then we simply can take your Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this purported wave 2 to the top of the purported wave 3, and we see that the 382 is respected, right? Any wave 4 cannot retrace beyond the 382 Fibonacci retracement, okay? And that is indeed what we see here. So I sort of regard this as a valid wave 4 retracement. Also, this is indeed a wave 4. It's a complex wave 4 with a simple wave 2. Elliott wave theory states that by the law of alternation, you're likely to get a complex wave 4 in the case of having a simple wave 2. So that's what I'm seeing on the charts. And one more reason why I think this is a wave 4 correction is that, here, let's get rid of this. We have a strong volume band here for wave 3, for our purported wave 3. And we know that wave 3 tends to be the most impulsive and the largest of the Elliott waves. And so that's what we're seeing on the volume chart. This is a single indicator. Bless you. That's a single indicator that I use. We see that wave 3 has indeed yielded the strongest volume band. So I think what comes after is our wave 4. What am I seeing for wave 4? Where do I see it play, or sort of where do I see it kind of resolving itself? Thus far, I see this. We've gotten a wave A, all right, that was an initial break of structure. Following that, we got a W, an X, a Y, an X2, and a Z wave, okay? So that was basically what I'm seeing on the charts is wave A, all this complex correction, this double 3 complex correction that I traded yesterday. I longed it and I shorted it. That was wave B. And this is our, maybe it's an ending diagonal, wave C, right? Ending diagonals we know are 53333, whatever it is, let's say it's a regular 53535, impulse to the downside, 535. Let's say it's that, okay? Let's say that's the case. That is our ending diagonal right here, okay? And this initial breakup structure is our A wave for reversal, okay? That's what I'm reading right here. So our A wave, our B wave, our composed B wave, and what I'm seeing here, maybe our composed B wave ends here, okay? And what I'm seeing at this point is our initial diagonal right here. I see this as the first wave to the upside for wave 5. This, to me, is an initial diagonal. And so our retrace, and so if this is my trade plan, my invalidation is quite simple, okay? I'm going to zoom in really quickly. And if you're getting value from this kind of analysis, hold on, let me clean this up. If we're getting value from this kind of analysis, please like the video, share with others who you think may also get some value from sound technical analysis, right or wrong, and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. We'd love to have you, okay? This, to me, seems like an initial diagonal. And we know, according to Elliott wave theory, initial diagonals are 53535 structures. So let's go in even more detail. So 5-minute chart, I see this right here. This is my count for this initial diagonal. And it doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but I think that some semblance of sort of accuracy here is helpful to just get an idea of where we stand, okay? So I see 5 waves here, 3 waves here, that's wave 2 to me, 5 waves here, that's wave 3 to me, 3 waves here, okay, for wave 4, and wave 5 ending out here, okay? So that's what I see right here. This is a valid count because wave 3 is not the shortest, although it's not the longest. Wave 1 is. We have a complex wave 2 correction and a relatively simple wave 4 correction. This is valid. What I'm seeing here is an A, B, C correction. Once we finish this C correction, I think we're all good. True to any Elliott wave, diagonal or regular, your wave 2 correction retraces to a minimum of the 382 to a maximum of the 618. The invalidation of this trade idea is at the 786, or below the 50% for me personally as a trader, below the 50% level of the 618. So I can put my stops over here if I'm going long, right? And so I'm expecting anywhere between this level right here, this 382, and this 618 right here to get my reversal. So I'm expecting price to come down around this region to get a reversal to the upside. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts. That's why I'm seeing it. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. If you appreciate these a little faster or a little more succinct analyses, please let me know in the comments. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.